Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are doing fine. In this video, we are going to talk about parts of a seed. What are the objectives for this lesson? We have to indicate the parts of the seed. We have to indicate the function of each part of the seed. Then I have to label the parts of the seed. From previous lesson, we got that seeds have different shapes, sizes, and colors. But all seeds have the same parts that we are going to talk about them in this video. So you can choose any seed you want. For example, I take the green beans. So I take a green beans, I place them in the distilled water and leave them overnight. After that, I will take a part from them and I place it on the plate in order to do the next step, which is I have to remove the seed coat. So I will repeat. First, to do this experiment, I have to put the seeds in the water overnight. In the next day, I have to take one seed, open it first by removing the seed coat. After that, I will take this seed, we will open it and place it under the microscope to see well the parts. As we see here, I open the seed into two parts. I have this and this. Do you see this part that it's look like the white? It's another part. And the seed coat which is found outside this seed. These are the steps in order to make and to see the parts of the seed. We will see here three different parts. First, the cover. As you know, we remove the seed coat. If I open the seed, I will see a big part. That's the green color is. The green color is here. So, what do we call this part? This is a food storage, or I can say it as stored food. The third part, which is look like a small plant, so it's called embryo or baby plant. So all seeds have these three parts. The seed coat that cover the seed, the stored food which is found inside it, and the baby plant. So the three parts, seed coat, stored food, and baby plants. All seeds have these three parts, but seeds have different shapes, sizes, and colors. Don't forget that. Together, guys, let us solve this exercise. Page 67. I have to trace the diagram of seed parts and label it using these words. We have first to trace. You are good in tracing. And I am not good, as you see. That's because I am using the computer. So after I finished from the tracing zigzag line, I have to label it with these three words. Remember, the seed has three parts: seed coat, the baby plant, and the stored food. So the first part is seed coat. Where is this seed coat? Seed coat is the part that covers this seed, which is found out. So this is the arrow of the seed coat. I have to write on the line seed coat. The next one, baby plant. Which part is the baby plant? It's baby, it's small, and it's different from the big side here and here. So this part is called the baby plant. And finally, the stored food is the big part called the stored food. Now I have to color with the brown. I don't have brown color here. So with the brown color, you have to write this to color the seed code, which is found out like this. And the green color, the baby plant. These with the color green. And the last one, which is the stored food, I have to color it with yellow, this part and this part. So you will get a seed with the three parts: seed coat, baby plant, and stored food. Now guys, let us answer these questions. Why do we wear coat in a winter? Why? Because it's so cold and I have to protect my body. So, to protect ourselves from cold weather. What happens if we don't wear coat in winter? What happens? Sure, we will become sick. What part covers or surround a seed? What is? Do you know? Yes, sure. This is a seed coat. So seed is covered with seed coat. What is the job of a seed coat? It's similar to the coat that you wear it in winter. So what is the job? Is to protect the seed from any danger. Now, where does a seed get the food it needs from? Every part, or as you need food to grow, also the seed need food to grow. From where? From the stored food. Excellent. So the seed gets its food from its stored food. Finally, which part of a seed grows into a new plant? We have inside the seed, we have a baby plant. So later this baby plant will grow into a new plant. So the baby plant grows into a new plant. What is the function of each part? Don't forget, all seeds have the three parts: seed coat, embryo or the baby plant, and the food store. What is the function of seed coat? As we said, coat is similar to the coat that you wear it in the winter. So the seed coat is to protect the seed from any damage. Embryo or the baby plant. It's called baby. Later it will become a new plant. So the baby plant always grows upward to make a new plant. And the food store, there is food here. And this food used by whom? Used by the baby plant. So the baby plant will use this food in order to grow. So stored food, the baby plant will use it while it is growing up. Together, let us complete this paragraph. I have to complete with a suitable word. You wear a coat to keep you from the cold. So, you wear a coat to protect your body. So, the seeds have what to protect them? They have also a coat. It's called seed coat. You eat food to grow. Seeds use food from the stored food to grow. Excellent. The last part, the in a seed grows to a new plant. Which part grows into a new plant? The baby plant. Excellent, guys. So don't forget, the seed has three parts: seed coat to protect the seed from any damage, stored food to allow the baby grow or the baby plant to grow. It must take the food from stored food, and the baby plant will grow into a new plant. As now, a quick exercise. I have to write the correct number in its place. I have number 1, I have number 3, and I have number 2. So which one is the seed code? Is number 1 or number 3 or number 2? So is number 1. Which part is the baby plant? 2 or 3? 3, excellent. And the stored food is number 2. Good, guys. In this slide, we have this link. Try to click on it in order to see a video related to our lesson. It shows us how the seed can germinate into a new plant. Now, guys, I hope you understand everything. Try to practice this exercise and try to make the experiment. The first experiment. Put some seeds in water overnight, then remove gently the cord and look at the parts of the seed. Now I want to say for you goodbye. Thank you for your watching and stay safe. I love you guys. Bye bye.